All right, hi guys. So this next tool is for anybody who has a hard time with diets, who has multiple diet attempts that they've failed, and they don't want to feel like this next piece, whether it be another diet or it be weight loss surgery, is yet another diet or a deprivation. So this tool is called the Happy List. This list is for you to redefine quality of life outside of food. So, one major thing that needs to happen, as I've talked about before, is this fundamental shift where food no longer is where I derive my happiness. It's like brushing my teeth. I have to do it to be healthy, but I don't think about what kind of toothpaste am I going to use and where am I going to brush my teeth and oh my gosh, who am I going to brush my teeth with? I just brush my teeth and I get on with my day. And that's sort of how food needs to be for you guys, where it's just like I eat my boring, protein shake or my salad and tuna, and it's not particularly exciting, but I've got a lot of other things in my life that are exciting. This happy list is what helps you define that and be able to really focus on that when it gets difficult. So happy list can include anything that makes you happy, that makes you feel, good in your life. It could be like the movie soundtrack station on Pandora. It could be going to the movies. It could be planning a vacation. It could be buying a new pair of shoes or a new coat or buying a new dress or getting a shave. It could be getting your nails done, a massage, a facial. It could be going for a walk with a really good friend. It could be a phone call to your mom. Anything that happens in your life right now that really makes you happy, that fills you up inside, that does not involve food, needs to go on your happy list. So take a few moments and think about what those things are. And you can either create a list like this. This was an old school list that I created for patients a long time ago. I just laminated it at FedEx, and then, you can just sort of keep it in your house. If you're more tech savvy, you can use Canva and create a really visually appealing image that includes all the things that make you happy, and you can keep it in your phone or you can print it out or do whatever, or you can just write in your journal the things that make you happy, or you can write in your phone the things that make you happy. But the goal here is that we're shifting what we define as quality of life, because if food is the thing that really sort of makes us feel like we're living life, makes us feel like we're celebrating, makes us feel like we're connecting, and we get a surgery where we can't do that anymore, we're going to feel like we're not living our life. And eventually we're going to go back to doing what we know. And that's why most diets fail. So the psychological shift that needs to take place is that food is no longer the thing that gives us pleasure, and look at all these other things that do. And if you don't have a lot of things for your happy list, like you're sitting there and you're like, I don't know, nothing really makes me happy except food. And some people really feel that way. Now it's time to get new hobbies. Now it's time to think about those things. It's time to redefine what means quality of life. And sometimes people have to do that. You got to get creative. And if you don't want to do that, that's where you look at the long-term goals, the vision for self that I talked about in prior chapters. So I hope that helps. If you want more tips, tune in to schoolofselfhelp.com. And if you're watching this from schoolofselfhelp.com, thanks.